My name is 𝗟𝗶হি𝗲𝗢𝗔, Managing Director Haizea Wind Bilbao. I started in 2020 at Haizea. At this moment, I never worked before with the DAVI rolling machines, but after a few weeks I was already very surprised about the good quality of the rolling from the DAVI machines.
A few years ago we have installed these machines on the new building. We trained the operators in order to make the most of DAVI machines and all the accessories. After that, the operators were ready to start the production immediately.
Time of negotiation when the project started, Haizea was looking for one plate rolling machine specifically for towers and a second one that should have been more flexible for production of tower foundation as well as monopiles and TP. For these reasons, they invested on a smaller model R30 and then in a bigger one Z40.
What I have noticed and what I have seen in the last 2.5 years is that the perimeters, the circumferences of the cans which come out of the rolling machines are perfect fitting to each other. This avoids the high-low, and this is a big advantage of this rolling machine.
At the customer support, our priority is to reduce the downtime of the machine. We are always ready to help our customers with the remote troubleshooting and with the daily production.
When you speak about support and service from DAVI to the Haizea team, I would say in one word, this is perfect. Short time of answering, good technical advices and a real good support also regarding maintenance, technical support and quick answers.
The wind energy market will fast grow in the next 5-10 years. The new generator size with extreme design will bring to new challenges to produce towers and foundations. With the new design, thickness and diameters are drastically increasing. New challenges are required, but DAVI is ready with the new, unique and patented solution. We are ready to support our end users, such as Haizea Wind, to increase their efficiency and their productivity.